Okay, friend, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to sort out one of my friend comment on our video that he is asking that can you help me unlock my bootloader, please? Then I asked the device name or model. So just please share your device name. After that, he shared his device name Tecno Spark Go to KM4, and then I give him my words that is I will make a video on it, and then he said yes, thanks, I will wait. So this is the video I'm making for my one of my friend for you Kizu, I think so, his name. Okay, so let's move to the AI, and device name we will mention. Okay, got it. Yes, it works. Okay, let's see. We will have our guidelines properly. Okay. First of all, you need to know that important warning. First, are you trying to unlock bootloader for routing custom ROM or unlock the network carrier lock? There are two very different things. Please clarify if needed, but here is info on both. Okay. So if my friend need one of them, so I am trying to describe both of them as per the AI shared all the things. So option one is network carrier unlock used with any SIM. SIM card you should have inserted in your smartphone, and every Tecno Spark Go 2 has a unique 15-digit IMEI number. To find it, go to your phone dialer and type start #06 hash. Then it will appear on the screen. You will then use this IMEI with a carrier unlock service. Okay. Option 2 is bootloader unlock for routing custom ROM. This is significantly more difficult and risky on your device. Okay, Tecno has completely removed the ability to unlock the bootloader of this phone by removing every unlock command from Fastboot. Even standard unlock command don't work. XDA forum thread saying the KM4 uses Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset, and some users have managed to unlock the bootloader via a paid tool called Unlock Tool. XDA forum discussion. So I will try to mention the URLs in the video descriptions to easy for my friend who request me to make a video according the questions, and this is my ability, and I am not saying it's my ability. I do say sorry that. So let's back to the point. After unlocking the however, this comes with serious risk. After unlocking the bootloader with unlock tool, the phone wipe everything and can show no valid OS found, leaving user unable to flash firmware back, resulting in a potentially break device. So summary, you will read carrier SIM unlock straightforward via IMEI code. Okay, you can see there are a lot of tool you can check in your free online services. IMEI. Okay, bootloader unlock routing extremely risky, high brick risk, and official method. What type would you like? What type of unlock are you looking for? This that will help me give you more specific steps. Okay, friend. Yes, sir. a simple guide if you are still facing issue, any problem in doing this or making your phone unlock. You can contact, you can comment again on our video, and we will make a video for you. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching the video.